What if I told you you could create cinematic videos from a simple text prompt in minutes? No camera, no editing, no stress. And no, this isn't the future. It's happening right now with Pika Labs. Let's be honest, creating videos consistently is hard. You have to come up with ideas, write scripts, record footage, edit everything, add sound, and somehow stay consistent. And if you're a business owner, it's even worse. You're juggling content on top of everything else. Most people don't quit because they lack ideas. They quit because the process is exhausting. In this video, I'm going to show you how Pika Labs works, how creators are using it to produce insane content, and how you can use it to save time, scale faster, and create videos that actually stand out. Section 1. What is Pika Labs? So first, what exactly is Pika Labs? Pika Labs is an AI tool that turns text, or images, into full video clips. You type something like, a cinematic drone shot of a futuristic city at sunset, and within seconds, it generates a video. Not stock footage, not templates, actual AI-generated scenes. But here's where it gets crazy. Section 2. Why this matters. Before tools like this, video creation had two major barriers. 1, equipment, and 2, editing skills. Now, both are optional. You don't need a camera, you don't need After Effects, you don't even need footage. Example, let's say you run a real estate business. Instead of filming every property, you could generate cinematic previews using AI. Or you're a YouTuber. You can create B-roll, storytelling visuals, or even entire scenes without shooting anything. Section 3. How Pika Labs works, in simple breakdown. Step 1. Write a prompt. Everything starts with a prompt. Think of it like giving instructions to a very creative editor. Example, a slow-motion shot of a lion walking through a misty jungle, cinematic lighting, 4K. Step 2. Generate the video. Pika takes that prompt and generates a video clip. Step 3. Refine. You can tweak the result, change style, add motion, adjust camera angles. But here's where most people miss. Section 4. It's not just about generating clips. The real power of Pika Labs is how you use it in your workflow. Because random clips won't grow your channel. Strategy will. Section 5. Smart ways to use Pika Labs. 1. Content creators, YouTube or TikTok. If you're a content creator, use Pika for storytelling. Instead of talking to a camera the whole time, you can create cinematic visuals that keep people watching. And retention? That's everything. 2. Business owners. If you run a business, you can create ads without hiring a full production crew. Imagine launching a product and having high-quality visuals instantly. 3. Faceless channels. This is where it gets interesting. Faceless channels are exploding right now, and tools like Pika Labs make it even easier. But let me be real with you for a second. Section 6. The limitation. Honest truth. AI tools are powerful, but they're not magic. You still need good ideas, clear storytelling, and proper structure. Because bad content with AI is still bad content. Section 7. How we use this inside our studio. Inside Beep 10 Studio, this is exactly how we approach it. Workflow breakdown. Step 1. Strategy and scripting. We don't just generate random visuals, we build a narrative. Step 2. AI-assisted production. We use tools like Pika Labs for B-roll, concept visuals, and scene enhancement. Step 3. Professional editing. This is where most people underestimate the process. We refine pacing, add sound design, transitions, color grading, because that's what separates average content from premium content. And this is exactly why most people struggle doing everything alone. Section 8. why people eventually outsource. At the beginning, you try to do everything yourself: script, record, edit, post. But as you grow, your time becomes more valuable. And that's when creators and businesses start outsourcing, not because they can't do it, but because it slows them down. Section 9. Realistic expectation. Here's the truth no one tells you. AI tools like Pika Labs don't replace creators, they amplify them. The better your ideas, the more powerful these tools become. So the question is, are you using AI, or is everyone else leaving you behind? Inside Beep 10 Studio, we see this every day. Clients come to us overwhelmed. They've tried doing everything themselves, but they hit a ceiling. What we do is simple. You focus on your message. We handle the execution. Record, send, edit, deliver. That's the system. And when you combine that with AI tools like Pika, you don't just create content, you scale it. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, I don't have time to learn all this, that's completely fair. Because yes, Pika Labs is powerful, but it still requires time, testing, and consistency. And if you'd rather focus on growing your business, that's literally what we do at Beep 10 Studio. We take your ideas, turn them into high-quality content, and help you stay consistent without burning out. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. We break down AI tools, content strategies, and real-world workflows like this every week. Drop a comment and tell me, would you actually use Pika Labs for your content? And if you want help creating videos like this, check the link in the description. Because at the end of the day, the creators who win aren't the ones working the hardest, they're the ones working smarter.